Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you want to be out in the sunshine every possible moment like I do, then making sure that you have coverage from the sun's rays is going to be important to you also. That's one reason I've started wearing these UV Skins UPF 50 plus Capris. Not only are they giving me excellent coverage so that I don't have to worry as much about making sure I have block on, but also they're so cute. I love the athletic fit on these. I'm 5'4" and normally wear between a size 4 and 8 in pants. I got the size medium, and I would say these are true to size. They are a bit on the snugger side, which is what you would expect with an athletic fit, and I feel very comfortable in them. The waistband has a lot of give because it is elastic in the back, but not so much that it gives you like a granny look. I love these ties on the side because you can pull them up to give it a little scrunchy look, and that gives it a little bit more shape too, which I really like. I got this gorgeous aqua color. I love it. It's one of my favorites, and it goes with a lot of my swimsuits, which I really like too. But UV Skins has a lot of different colors to choose from in this style. And not only that, they have lots of other clothing items, shapes, men and women, children, whatever it is you're looking for, they have you covered. I love these pants. I could wear them every single day. They are that comfortable and that cute. But that's just my point of view.